to your 15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some low cloud and patchy fog across the region this morning that will burn off across the region and is expected to do so once we move into the late morning hours. We'll see temperature today mild into the lower to mid 60s, seeing some warmer temperatures inland. Here along the coast, we'll have some light onshore flow that will keep those temperatures capped into the lower to mid 60s today. And as far as our precipitation and lightning chances go today, we'll see a near 0% chance, and in general, a good day across the region, especially once this fog does burn off. Our current observation, we have a broken deck at 400 feet, 4 miles statute visibility with some mist. Calm winds, temperature 39 degrees, and relative humidity at 96%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have that fog across the Delmarva Peninsula this morning, also seeing some low cloud off the coast. This low cloud is slowly moving towards the Wallops region from the Atlantic Ocean. So we'll continue to monitor this. I do expect this to break up, or if it does move onshore, it would only be briefly for this morning. Taking a look at the HERM model here, you can see it does have that low cloud kind of stalling right off the coast for this afternoon and not really giving us much of that impact from the low cloudiness today. If we do see that, it most likely will be right along the coastline or just off the coastline for this afternoon. And moving into the overnight hours, we'll see a dry cold front push through the region by tomorrow morning, and other than a wind shift, not really going to see much in our weather change for the next 24 hours. Looking at our wrist chart for today, we'll see a high today of 63, a low tonight of 48. We have a ray condition for our ceilings under 500 feet this morning, as we do have a broken deck of 400 feet currently. That should continue to erode, and we'll see better conditions, especially by late morning into the afternoon hours today, as far as our ceilings go. Our winds will be out of the southeast to southerly component today, around 7 to 12 knots this afternoon. And then once that cold front does move through tomorrow morning, we'll see a northwesterly wind pick up 8 to 13 knots, gust to highs 20 knots. So some slightly breezy conditions right after that cold front moves through with some weak cold air advection post cold front. Looking at our terminal forecast, we'll see that low ceiling through about 10 o'clock this morning, and then should see VFR conditions thereafter, with winds becoming more southerly by late afternoon, and then southwesterly overnight ahead of that cold front. And then once we get to tomorrow morning, northwesterly winds, as I mentioned, gusting as high as 20 knots. Tides are normal. And looking at Saturday and Sunday, green charts across the board, looking like a nice weekend, a nice spring weekend across the region. Seeing a little bit warmer on Saturday with a high of 68, with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies and slightly breezy winds early. Saturday night, we'll see mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, a low of 45. And for Sunday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy with onshore flow. And we'll see a high of 63 degrees. So some nice conditions for the weekend, with the temperatures a little bit above average this time of year, but overall looking like a good weekend in store. That'll complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.